me there was going to be stairs. I don't like stairs.
My calves are going to turn into cows with all the steps.
Can you go that way?
No, it's all blocked off. They're renovating it. But instead of painting when we were going to see the cross, took a picture of it because there's a big window of it.
We're on an island, on a lake. And Dennis, did you know this is the only island in Slovenia?
Yes, I've heard it numerous times now.
Do you want a picture on the steps? Did you like Lake Bled?
Yes, I did. Quite enjoyable.
Do you feel like you're on the lifeboat on the Titanic?